Hello, everyone. Welcome to our seminar. And the title of our seminar is Educational Products in Master's Degree. This work is a product of the discipline Letramento Acadêmico Científico. This seminar will be presented by me, Maria Fernanda, and my colleagues Ediline Moraes and João Paulo. Okay, so now in the other slide, we have the table of contents. So we have first the introduction, the definitions, examples, and then questions for debate. Okay, so now to start our conversation about educational products in master's degree, first we need to know that the effectiveness of an educational process is achieved through pedagogical process. And for a successful course of the pedagogical process, the educator needs to comprehend the relevance of its professional context and the relevance of research to solve the demands or challenges that appears in a classroom. It is in the context that we educators can experientiate the challenges and the demands of our profession. So the context is valuable. Also, what I want to say about the relevance of research in a teacher's life is that teacher formation is a constant cycle. Educators live in a cycle of construction and reconstruction of knowledge. We do not stop studying. It is important it is important to notice the concrete articulation of teacher formation and research. In a professional master degree, the elaboration of educational products are tools that enable teacher formation through research. And now you question me, what are pedagogical tools? Well, pedagogical tools are elaborated by educators and it has the aim to meet professional demands. These pedagogical tools comprehend organized knowledge in order to enable pedagogical practices.
Now I will talk about educational products on master's degree and its relation. So, master's degree in the area of teaching need to generate educational products to be used in public schools in Brazil, and these products or processes need to be applied in real conditions in the classroom, and they can be formal and non-formal basis of teaching. So, right here we have some examples of educational products that you can do during your master's degree. They can be educational media, educational prototypes and material for experimental activities, teaching proposals, textual materials, interactive materials, and application development and extension activities.
Now, let's see some examples of educational products in master's degree. The first one that we'll talk about is textual material. Textual materials are important didactic tools for teachers and students, like manuals, guides, articles in technical or publicity, magazines, didactic and paradidactic book, comics, and similar. In the next section, we can see a class notebook that aims to provide teachers with content and support materials to help them with the theme of plans.
There we have an example of another educational product developed on master's degree. It is a didactic sequence, and didactic sequences can be considered as a set of activities following a systematic way with textual, oral, and/or written genres. There we have an example of an educational product named Autorregulação efetiva e afetiva da aprendizagem de língua inglesa, caminhos para a construção da autonomia em EPT, which is a didactic sequence focused on English language.
Another example of educational product in master's degree are interactive materials. They are activities related to the use of ludic material, usually with didactic aids. Here we can see two examples. The first one are interactive educational instruments and educational products based on augmented reality to learn geometry for digital immigrant students. And the second one is uma proposta para o ensino e aprendizagem de equações e inequações do primeiro grau através de recursos lúdicos e manipuláveis. Both examples use ludic material to develop learning.
Another example of educational product we will talk about is educational media. And educational media are channels of communication that carry messages with an instructional purpose, and they can be digital, electronic, printed, etc. There are some examples: YouTube videos, articles, essays, and much more things that we can see and are considered as educational media. For our question for debate, we would like you to answer: do you want to have a master's degree? If you want to, how do you think it will be? You can comment in the comment section below.
Here are our references. We hope this seminar helped you who wants to have a master's degree and don't know how to start. Thanks for watching us.